video, we'll run through the procedure of exchanging the ECU on a power steering module of a Mazda 3. The very first step is select the manufacturer, which is a Mazda. Confirm the version number of the software. This will connect to the Bluetooth. Confirm that the ignition is turned on. Press OK. Select Auto Search. Because you're using the 16-pin socket to the Mazda, select 16-pin. The information of the vehicle will be shown. Press OK. This vehicle is not equipped with the keyless entry, so press Not Equipped. Next step is system selection. Now select EPS, electric power steering. It'll confirm the module's ID and information. Select special functions. Select programmable module installation. Now there is a warning, the battery of the vehicle must be charged, and also a connection to the scan tool to confirm that the charge of the battery of the scan tool is maintained in this procedure. Then press OK. Turn the ignition on. Now turn the ignition off. Press OK. Install the new ECU. The information has already been read by the scan tool, so during this period the scan tool must be left on. Once you completed the installation of the new ECU, just press OK. Now turn the ignition on. Press OK. The process of the information being programmed will take up to 10 seconds, so just wait for this period. Turn the ignition off, press OK, turn the ignition back on, press OK. This period of time, another 10 seconds will take to confirm that the program has been successfully uploaded. Turn the ignition off, press OK, and the procedure is completed. Press OK to exit the system and recycle the key